Technologic, technologic, technologic.
It's everybody's favourite time of the week again. It's time for another one of our tech series, and I'm here with my favourite member of the team. It's Dan, our technical manager. Hello, Dan.
Hello.
You alright, mate?
Yeah, all good.
Yes, so today we are going to look at a cool little unit, which is a link from the master bedroom down into the ensuite of a lovely property that we're working on down on the Lizard. We are working with an awesome interior designer called Laura from Born Designers. She is behind the design on this, and we are challenged with bringing it to life. So Dan, what we'll do first, mate, if we can. Let's have a little look around the design. So Dan, can we start in the sort of the bedroom side, buddy?
Yeah.
So this is where the master bedroom is. It's split level down into the like the master ensuite, and we've got this tunnel detail that goes down through the wall and into the master ensuite. And then Dan will do a little spin around. And then that tunnel is integrated into the cabinetry. There's nothing fancy about the cabinetry, it's just nice storage, but the cool bit of this is the tunnel detail and how that works and how that links. Dan, can we please start, mate? Can you go back to can you tell us what the process of the manufacture and fit order would be on this, bud?
Yeah. So we start for fitting. Basically, we would have started off fitting the staircase. So what we done, we gave the site a drawing, basically where to line the tiles up to. So we gave them basically a cutout on this, so we know where to put the tiles. Line up the centre to the staircase, and then obviously started fitting the staircase first.
Dan, can you just zoom in on that chassis of the staircase and just explain how we do, this is how we do the framework of our staircases?
Yeah. So we've got 3 skins of ply either side, and obviously then we've got so chill it with battens running side to side to keep it all quite strong. And it's all just housed in, so that makes it a hell of a strong. And then
nice and strong, nice and easy to fit.
Yeah.
Off the CNC, bang on. Yeah.
Yeah, a little hole down here. We've got lighting in all the stair treads, which you'll see later. And that all comes down and feeds through this little hole down here. You can see. So after we fitted the staircase, and then we go to basically started the ground panels. So we've got the 2 sides, and then the ceilings. Obviously, I will get fitted, pinned to the wall. This will be left floating for the time being, and then when we go into adding the cabinetry, that will tie it all in.
So we'd fit the staircase chassis first, then our ground structure, then the next bit's the cabinetry, and then I take it that grounds fit, like the grounds connects to the cabinetry.
That's it. Yeah. You screw through. Everything will be tied in, so it's really solid. Then we could obviously then you can fit your blind all up behind the ground panel. This blind will come down.
So we've got a little blind in there, Dan, have we?
That's it. Yeah, and that will come down in between the panels, which we'll see in a minute. So
Lovely.
So once that's all done, that's all screwed back, all tied in, and we come round. It's all the same up here. Everything's set off to datums, and then just do little doors off. And this is with everything scribes on, all the panels on.
Yeah, and then the panel work for the sort of tunnel goes on.
Yeah, all the face panels are pinned. They're on fast mounts, so these all get put on, and then you can see up here, that blind is just split between the 2 panels, and then that blind will come down, and it's looking
lovely. And we've got metal handrail there. Just have a quick look at that metal handrail, Dan. Can we from the other side?
Yeah,
that's housed in. That's housed in at the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah. That's it.
It fixes around the corner. Lovely. That has to be there because we've got that trip hazard ultimately where those first 2 steps go down level with the floor there. We've had to have the handrail in there. But that looks quite sweet. Dan, can we just have a little look around the other side again, buddy? Can we?
Yeah.
And then we've got... So what's the fronts on this, Dan?
So we got...
Now the final fronts.
So I'll put the fronts on a minute. So these here, we've got Fenix doors with a cherry bespoke sort of a handle detail going in here.
Inlaid handle,
Yeah. So
integrated handle detail.
I'll just open one of those up for you. There we go. So again with this, we would have started off with an MDF core. We inlaid a oak strip inside. And
or
then,
cherry. Maybe
sorry,
even cherry down.
Sorry, it would have been cherry, yes, you're right. and then and then we would have done the cut up through that, and obviously it's edged all around as well with cherry.
So zoom in on the edge, Dan. So that's how we left it. We had an oak edge to it, and then it was a colour core Fenix. So you just saw the double skin of Fenix with the oak edge or cherry edge banding, and integrated handle detail. It looks sweet.
Cool.
All right, Dan.
Yeah.
Just go back to the design, mate, just so we can finish with that. Lovely. Just give it a spin around. We also did that vanity unit there, didn't we? So that that vanity unit's quite nice, Dan. That's got an integrated brass inlay piece, isn't it?
Yeah, like brass strip down here for the finger pull, and then you've got a large marble top, and then it's just basically one big jaw unit inside.
Lovely. Okay, Dan. I think that'll do us, buddy.
Cool.
Top work as always, mate. Thank you very much. That's us. For this week, month, fortnight, I don't know, but we'll see you again, and thank you very much for joining us.
Technologic.